Alright, so we just got batteries. Today we will show you how to install a battery, replacement battery, or new battery. So you put this on the cover on that. That would make it easier to put it into the casing. Alright. So you just have to align it properly. Move it. There we go. Otherwise, if you just have the battery in without the casing, it's going to require a lot of adjustments. So make sure the connections are proper right there. See, going over the positive and the negative. Okay, and I think. Wait. So to remove it, you had to use this Allen wrench. So you make sure you tighten it properly to prevent it from movement when the car is driving around, rattling, stuff like that. Same for the negative side, and that's probably basically it. And then we just put it down. Oh, yep. Just ensure it's tight. And
put that strap.
oh, okay. And then there's a strap. Almost forgot about the strap. This is something new for me too, because I've never removed a battery or installed a new one. So this is also a learning experience for me too. Okay, so that goes in there. There's a lever.
So both this hooks on.
Yeah. All right, that's
On the
it.
side and the
So that's how you
back
install a battery. So here's a final test. Make sure it starts. They say it's good, but we want to make sure it starts properly. Okay. Hey, yay! Success.